First and most devastating. It ripped through the town of Tallahena, Oklahoma early Monday evening. Early warning sirens gave most residents time to take cover. 6 people were injured and over 25 homes were destroyed. One day later, and 20 miles south of Wichita Falls, Texas, this tornado touched down in the tiny town of Windhorst. It did minor damage and no injuries were reported. It moved through just after noon local time. 3.5 hours later, Gainesville, Texas, just north of Dallas, was the next tornado target. A camera crew caught the twister on tape as it destroyed one of the town's mobile home parks, tossed around cars and trucks on Interstate 35, and injured more than 10 people. This tornado in Tampa, Florida, was the product of a different storm system. Hail, heavy rain, and lightning accompanied the storm as it moved through during the afternoon hours. There were no injuries and only minor property damage reports. Well, as we check out the history of these storms since Monday, Central Plains, smack dab in the central sections of the country. Tuesday, those tornadoes move into the Midwest as the front moves on into the Great Lakes. The front stalls in the southern plains, stalls there again today. That's where we've seen most of our tornadic activity today. But we even had a few reports of tornadoes around the Rensselaer County region. And damage reports do give you an idea of how well, where, and how many tornadoes we had during this particular outbreak.
Sure, but just like the tornado video that you and I just saw that was just so graphic and so awe-inspiring, we woke up and saw the damage video today. This is what happened from tornadoes last night in Indiana. One twister hit the college town of West Lafayette, demolishing a mobile home park, a factory, and 2 gas stations. 2 people are dead and more than 50 are injured. Another tornado ripped through a small aviation airport just west of Indianapolis, destroying or severely damaging at least 22 planes. Most of the planes were single-engine crafts, many older models in the process of being restored. Luckily, no one was injured in that tornado.
Gainesville, Texas residents spent the day cleaning up from that twister that roared through the area yesterday. Just a few minutes ago, we showed you the twister in action. This is what it left behind. One mobile home park was destroyed, power lines knocked down, cars and trucks tossed about like toys. Close to a dozen people were injured.
And a man in southwest Florida was driving across a bridge yesterday, innocently enough, when a water spout, or a weak tornado over water, lifted his truck and dumped him into the river. A rescue diver went under and searched the truck, but found no one inside. A short time later, the driver was found safe, clinging to a bridge piling. He suffered only minor injuries. The tornado also flipped several cars on the bridge. Well, I'll tell you what, even the Northeast hasn't escaped the wrath of Mother Nature here. We had a cold front, or at least an advancing line of thunderstorms blow through here.